In this tutorial I will show you how to view all the saved Wi-Fi networks in Samsung device. What you do is go to Settings. Go to Connections. Go to Wi-Fi. Tap on this 3 dots here. Advanced. Go to Manage Networks. So here you can see all the previously connected Wi-Fi network. So these are saved here, and whenever this mobile phone is near to the range of this Wi-Fi network, they will be automatically connected. If you want to delete these Wi-Fi networks, simply select the network and then forget. Then this Wi-Fi network will be removed from the saved list.